After the old world was destroyed by the flood, a story from the eastern Lisu. Just before the flood destroyed the old world, there lived in a high Himalayan village a brother and a sister. They were clearing an area for cultivation one day. A wildcat and a viper warned them that the world was about to be flooded. They must hollow out a log and stay inside it. This they did, taking a dog and a cockerel with them. The rains came and the waters rose and carried them away. Months later, the flood receded, leading them high on a mountaintop. Hearing the rooster crowing, their dog barking, and a bird singing outside, they climbed out and set out in opposite directions to see if anyone else had survived. Many years later, having found no one, they met at their starting point. Settling down, they married with the consent of the spirits and produced 3 sets of twins. The first pair yellow, the second black and hairy, the third big and white. Twin married twin, and the parents sent the yellow pair to the east, the black pair to the middle of the world, and the white pair to the west. Although they had all spoken the same language, across time and distance their speech changed. Villages and towns sprang up. An old man in the yellow group had 9 sons, none of whom could speak, and 7 daughters. When the sons angered their father one day, he beat them, whereupon, in their pain, they each began to speak a different way. The father gave a different area to each. Their descendants became the Kachin, the Karen, the Chin, Tibetan, Chinese, Muma, Burman, Shan, and Lisu peoples.